What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Brutal FX, and we're happy to have you back. Please, if today is your first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button. Don't forget also to comment. Okay, in today's video we'll be talking about price rejections. Okay, we'll be talking about price rejection. So price rejection is basically the forming of candles at a particular level in technical analysis. So we are looking at the support and resistance level. So we are looking at candles forming at those different levels. So if we see multiple wick formation, the wick of a candle, multiple wick formation at those levels, then we look out for a reversal, trend reversal, price reversal. So we are looking at those, we are using it to check for what? The strength and the weakness of the market. So if we see all these reversals, as you can see on the screen, if we get this kind of stuff, we know how strong the market is. So that's that in that way we can determine the strength of the market. So when we look at this chart, we can see two different kind of candle. We can see a candle with an upper wick. Okay, once we see an upper wick candle, we know that once it forms at the resistance level, it forms multiple times at the resistance level, we are looking for a selling opportunity. All right, once we get it multiple times at the resistance level, it is a selling opportunity, showing us that the buyers want to buy but the sellers are more stronger. That is, the big institutions are coming in and decreasing and pushing down the price. That means they are forcing others into that area, all right, to push down the price. Okay, so we have another zone, or another candle rather, we have another candle which is the lower wick. All right, candle with a lower wick. All right, this shows a buying opportunity at the support or demand zone. All right, it tells us that yes, the sellers want to push downwards, and there are a lot of others from the big players of the market, the big institutions like the banks, that they are pushing forward for a buy of that market. They don't want it to come down, so that is why they are pushing it at that resistance zone. As a trader, you take advantage of the big institutions. That is why this channel is meant for you. You have to come and join us to make profit from this channel, because we always give you strategies for you to be able to trade with the big guys, because that's where the big money are. All right, we don't play right here. Okay, let's go back to the video. All right, now once we get all these zones set up, we need to find the resistance zone where a hammer is formed. All right, the resistance or support zone where a hammer is formed. All right, just like in this chart, you can see a support zone where we can find a hammer. You can see a hammer there. You can see the big move in the market. So once you locate the resistance or the support level, then you can enter a buy or a sell to milk the market. Okay, all right, so these zones are always there in the market. They are always there in the market. So you can either buy at the if you trade in the market, don't ever sell at this point. It's very risky, very risky. So you only want to, don't buy at this point. You only want to buy once you see this price rejection and this hammer candle on the what, the demand, the support zone or the demand zone. Once you see it at the demand zone, you are good to go. All right, so I will be going to my chart to show you how to trade this candlestick, this candle pattern, or this pattern in general. All right, I'm going to show you how to trade it. All right, so join me as I go into the chart in the few seconds. All right, thank you so much. So you can see multiple weeks here in the 4 hours time frame. So you can actually see a hammer right there. Okay, so that's it's basically, now look at this one to this point too, the multiple weeks at the resistance zone. multiple wicks at the resistance zone. As you can see, a hammer is also formed right there. Okay, all right, so you can look out for a trend reversal. Okay, so the same thing happened in this market. All right, I think in 100 VIX 100, right here, right beneath here, you can see it. So all right, just go back to your chart, look at the chart, figure out. If you have any question, please put it down in the comment section so I can attend to you. Thank you so much.